trolling people, thinking I put my phone in the microwave. Part 2. DJ Kaz is the first one to see this, by the way.
Yeah, you did it.
Trolling people. Holy crap, it's so loud. And once again, I'm gonna be trolling people. All right, let's get into this.
Tell me about your worries.
I'm just gonna cut the video in two. Find somebody who actually listens. I'm getting out of this room. I just wanted to record that because that was crazy.
Mr. Wait.
You know, okay. On the table.
You know, I'm done. I'm putting my phone in the microwave.
Calm down.
Shawty bad.
Oh my god.
Fix your cat!
Yeah, I can put phone in the microwave.
Calm down. Why do people keep disappearing? What the?
Can you get off my chair?
That's not how WWE. What? I'm
My phone is smoking.
What
do I do? My phone's smoking. My phone's on fire. What do I do? My phone's on fire. What do I do?
No.
What do I do? My phone's on fire. What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? My phone's smoking! Ah! How do I turn this off? How do we turn this off? How do I turn this off? Somebody out! Put my phone. I just put my phone in the microwave! Ah!